Okay guys, so I'm still in the kitchen and I'm making the super steak apple juice for her. We need some orange. Ooh, that looks really good. Love orange juice. Extra pink. I mean extra apple. Extra more apple. And we add a hint of black. We may add some more. We add yellow too. Then we mix. Ooh, this is super staining apple juice. Oops, I spilled one. Good thing I know all my clothes here. Let me just show you this, guys. Oh my gosh. This is the super staining apple juice. This is like stains your clothes like crazy. Okay, I'm gonna go give it to Emma. Ooh, I gotta be careful not to spill this. Oh my gosh, kind of looks like lemonade, but it's really is. Oh, thank you, Mom. You're welcome, Emma. I'm gonna love this. I bet you'll love it too. Okay, bye, Emma. Bye, Mom. Okay. Okay, now that I have this apple juice, I'm gonna stain this outfit. I wanna ball it up, and I'm gonna put it on top of my high chair. So, Mom, can you give me my high chair, Mom? Yeah, 1 second. So from that last meal we had, gotta worry about the high chair. We going to school tomorrow, so I'm just gonna spend some of my time with the kids. Okay. Mom, where's the high chair? It's right here, honey. Here. It's a good thing you want your high chair. I don't want you to spill it on your clothes. I know. Here. Thanks, Mom. You can go now. Okay. Here you go. Okay. The reason I need my high chair, let me get in there, is because I need this so I won't get on my clothes. But this is how I do it first. I'm putting a towel over my clothing, so it doesn't get stained like my sister's is right now. Wait a second. Mom, I need my bib. Okay, here you go. Good thing you want your bib. So step 2, I take the dress and I dip it in the apple juice like so. Nice and pink. Ooh, get that really soaked in. And now, going to wring out the dress, or you can drink it. Ooh, now it's ruined. And now you can hang up where you put it, or where and then you can kind of drink the rest. Yum. I'm gonna save that for later. Hey, Mom. Yes, honey. Can you help me drink this?